know if you're old enough to remember that song. I am so excited because not only is it summertime, but if you live where I live in rainy Vancouver, Vancouver's actually acting like it's summertime. So I am all about summertime as well as summertime DIYs. This is a takeover on Auntie Tay's channel. If you don't know who Auntie Tay is, then you're missing out on a fabulous crafter who's going to show you a whole whack of good stuff. So go ahead and hit subscribe and the bell right now on her channel. If you don't know me, I'm Drea with Clueless Mummy D. Over on my channel, I help moms live a thrifty lifestyle while laughing their way through motherhood. And today, I am showing you how I did up my front door entrance for summer for under $20 with Dollar Tree items and a couple of thrift store items and things that I already had from previous seasons. Make sure after you're done watching this and getting some inspiration for your front door that you go ahead and check out my channel in the description if you enjoy and found value in this video. Let's get to it. So let's start with what I'm going to put on the front door. I picked up this little sign from Dollar Tree. It says home is where our story begins. Super cute, but the brown is too matchy with my door. So I'm going in with some white chalk paint just to fill that up nice and thick and make it go better with my black, white, and yellow theme that I've got going on. If you guys need some really good chalk paint for your crafts, you're on the right channel because Auntie Tay at shopauntietay.com has some awesome chalk paint in beautiful colors for a great price. In the description is also a 10% off coupon, or if you become a member, you always get 20% off and a ton of goodies. So make sure you check out the description after. And this is basically what I look like. Super easy with chalk paint. I did go in on the sides with some black acrylic paint and I just touched it up just so that if anybody happened to be looking at the side of the door, I don't know why they would, it would again just kind of match the look that I was going for. The home part is no longer standing out to me, so to take care of that, I wanted to go ahead and put some more black acrylic paint underneath the home sign, just so that the word home can really pop. I am always like MacGyvering things. I'm sure there was an easier way. I have those really strong magnets for my wreath, and then I took some black wire cord, rope cord, because I wanted it to kind of be suspended in the middle of the wreath, but it worked out just fine. And there it is. So this yellow wreath that you see here, I love. I made it actually last spring with some Dollar Tree flowers and a thrifted wreath, and I have used it through spring, summer, and fall last year, and I'm using it again. I love when you make something super affordable and then you still like it the next season. But I'm totally on an Anthropologie kick, and so I used some inspiration from this tray, this Anthropologie tray, to kind of touch up the wreath. And that's my husband. He actually has a cleaning channel, so he decorated our front porch. And actually in the description is a video of how we DIY'd some decor for our patio table and all that goodness. If you want to subscribe to my channel and see how we did the rest of the place, you can in the description. But going with that sort of striped look that was from that Anthropologie tray, I just took some ribbon that I had from Michael's already, and I just tied it in 4 places on this wreath to give a different look to it that I already had for spring, and again to tie it in with the black and white decor we have going on outside. Now, what do you guys think of using black and white outside during the summer? This I got in the spring from Dollarama, and I'm just showing you a flashback of how I decorated. I just threw a little bunny there, but again, going with the black and white decor, I decided I would spray paint the watering can now. So I just went in with some spray paint I had from Michael's, and I'm also doing some other crafts going on there, so that
Once it dried, I wanted to give it again sort of an Anthropologie feel. I had these that I picked up from the dollar store too. These are just like little satchels. I don't know what you would use them for, but you know how Anthropologie always has like some patterns going on. So I decided to go with one of those, and I just cut it down lengthwise. So the thing was, it was just a little bit too short to wrap all the way around the watering can. So I just hot glued some rope towards the ends, and then I think a little bit of footage is missing here, but I poked some holes. And then the plan was to go ahead and do nice crisscross behind here, but I didn't have the right things to make a hole in the material. Okay, do you guys ever do weird things with your mouth like this? Look at this. I don't know what I'm doing here when I'm concentrating. But yeah, so I just went in. I'm actually taking a flower stem, like a fake flower stem, to make the holes. And I don't really like the way that turned out, but it's good enough. It kind of has that boho feel to it. Next, I have this little wagon here that I also picked up from a dollar store. It was not a Dollar Tree. And I again wanted to make it match, so I went in with some more chalk paint. I love chalk paint because it's pretty hard to mess it up. So I did a couple of coats on this. Voila! And then I took that wire rope that I had. Dollar Tree has just got some of this more recently, at least in my location, but not in the black. So I already had some black, and I just rolled them into balls, just like that. And I also got these from a dollar store too. So I just put those balls all in here in the little wagon, and I thought it had a cute little look. This welcome mat is from the Dollar Tree, and again, it goes really nicely. We have a very humble abode, and our dog scratches our door all the time, so just excuse the scratches. Last but not least is this succulent arrangement that I made. If you follow Auntie Tay on Facebook, you totally should. She has awesome videos on there, and I actually made this live on there, but in the description is one link to all of the videos or anything I mentioned here. So if you want to know how to make the actual succulent part, you just visit my channel, and that's in the description for you. But again, I just took this ribbon and put it around. That's a thrifted salad bowl, a thrifted mug, and some succulents in there, and I think it's really pretty, and it's just a very nice thing to put at our front entrance. And that is everything together. Comment below, let me know what you guys think and how you're decorating your outdoors for the summer, or even if you do that at all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.